Good morning, all packed and ready to go again. I haven't been on the road for quite a while, to be exact 4 weeks, so on my way towards Richards Bay, see what's happening there. I believe the camp's been closed for quite a while and it's reopened, so let's go and see what it looks like there and then go up to Bahati. See you on the road. Cheers. I've arrived here at Richards Bay and cannot believe it that Caravan Park was closed for a couple of months. It's only been open now for 3 weeks and whatever I've seen here, it looks very good nick. I'll give more information later in the video about which areas are open and what is closed, but otherwise looks very good. Good morning, Thursday morning. What a lovely morning. Here's a chopper there in the background taking off. Obviously going to take a pilot out or going to fetch a boat coming into the harbour. The harbour is not too far behind me here. But very peaceful and not a lot of people here. But as I've mentioned, the camp is only just opened again. But very nice here. Good morning, Friday morning. What a change in weather. Yesterday morning it was still like summer here, but somebody left the fridge door open last night. Chilly this morning. Just waiting for sunrise. Sun's going to be coming up just now, but chilly morning. Sites that are available for camping at the moment are B, F, G and H. Some of the ablution blocks are still under construction, and the laundromat, the superette, games room, TV room, they should be open by October, and a lot more new development and ideas. So watch the space. 18-hole putt-putt course right here by the entrance.